we will program the new variable speed US Motors Neptune motor. Okay, now that we got the pump all powered up, we're going to go to settings, hit the menu enter button once to get to standard settings, and you can hit up or down to go to custom settings. So we're going to go to standard settings and select that, and we're going to change the time of day. So we just hit menu enter again, and the time of day is 3:42 p.m. So we're going to go to 3, hit menu enter again, goes to minutes, and we're going to go down. It's quicker to get to the 42. Hit enter, and we go to AM, PM, and enter. And that's good. Now, so we got the time set. So now we want to change the schedule. Instead of having the default schedule, which I believe is at 8 a.m. for a couple hours to run for at high speed, and then 10 hours of some other speed. I have a separate schedule that I want to put in, so we'll go through that. That'll make it a little bit easier. So hit the up arrow again, goes to custom settings, and then select that. And timer 1, I'm actually going to set my timer 1 starting at 5 a.m. So we selected that, goes there, 5 a.m. Enter there. I want to go to, oh, wrong direction. Go down. The duration I want for 2 hours. That's correct already. And the speed I only want at 1,000. So I hit enter, and we're going to run that down to 1,000 RPM. I just want to start circulating water a little bit in the morning. Then enter. Okay, we're good. Go to timer 2. My timer 2, since the first one was a duration of 2 hours. Enter again, enter again. Duration of 2 hours again. So let's get this and run that down to 2. Enter, enter, down again. And that is, the 1400 is correct, so I want to leave it there. So we want to go to the next one down. The next one starts at 9 a.m. Enter. Up an hour. Enter. That should be an AM. And then we hit enter. And duration, this time it's 3 hours. Speed of, we want to go fast now. We're going to do some cleaning. Oops. Enter. You got to keep remembering to hit that menu enter key, or it just takes you up and down in the menu itself, as opposed to changing the setting. We're going to go up to 3,000 here. Enter. Go to timer 4. And this one is going to start at noon. So 12 is correct, 12 is correct, and that needs to be PM. Enter. Go down. The duration of another 3 hours. Menu. Speed of 2600. Oops, I did it again. Speed. Enter. Timer 5. It's going to start at 3 p.m. Start. Duration of 4 hours. At a speed of 2200. And then we will go to the next one down, timer 6. It's going to start at 7 p.m. start. Duration of 2 hours. And an RPM of 1800. If you hold in the button, it jumps up by 100 RPM at a time. If you just bump it once, it jumps by 10. And then timer 7 finally, starting at 9 p.m. Enter. Duration of 2 hours. And a speed of 1400. And that is all she wrote. You just press these to exit out of here. You press the start button again, and then you press the start button again, and it goes to the timer. So now it's going to start ramping up, and it's in its priming mode right now. So it's going to ramp up. It's going to run there for 3 minutes, and then it will go to its normal operation, and that would probably be, since it's that would be setting number 5. It's going to stay there till 7 p.m. tonight at 2200 RPM.